guys, today we're going to be unboxing this toy. It is going to be fun. It's a play microwave set. Let me unbox it. It's kind of hard.
You got it. You got to twist it.
Twist these?
Yes, twist the brown things till they come out.
Can you help me, Dad? Hold the camera.
Twist, 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 twist. Twist. That's one. Twist,
He got it out.
Twist. Twist, 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 twist.
You almost
Ooh,
got
the
it.
second one's stubborn.
Yep, it is, Dad. Yep, it is.
Oh, turning it the wrong way.
You turned it the
Slow, my bad. Excuse my ignorance, America. Okay.
We got the microwave out.
There we go. Did I drop a piece down there?
Really?
Did I drop a piece down there?
No, that was just money.
Okay. Here you go. Sorry. Here you go.
Now I'm going to get all the toys unboxed. These pieces from I got it. Okay. If you get one of these, this is at the new Dollar Tree. You know, the cups that make a drink.
Yep, cheap and easy.
And then
A quick toy play microwave with dinette set
and then
and
baby dolls are gonna
and
play
food
and eat.
that you can put together with your, tea parties or your baby doll playhouse.
And the caps
Thanksgiving.
Can even come off. The caps can even come
And the
off.
caps even come off. Look, so you can put kind of like, some water in there. If you have a baby alive to go with that, that'll be great because they potty and they can drink the water.
But it's hard because it has this little cut here, so the water might fall out.
Okay. Yeah, so be careful when you're doing that, kids. All right.
And now I got this. Ooh, it's pretty hard to take out.
Pull it from the top right there. No, the top part right there that's already off. The plastic, yeah. Just pull that off so then it'll come off. It should.
I'm going to try to take this off. Or I have to actually make Dad to take it off. Look, I got a
You
little.
got it. You got it. Yeah, we did it.
Good.
We did it.
Now I'm going to microwave something. What do I want to eat?
What are we eating today?
I'm going to eat a hot dog. Oops, the meat came out.
The hot dog.
Back on.
Here we go.
Now I'm
Hot dog. We got to put it in the... Ooh. You got to put the microwave right side up. That's not how you microwave stuff upside down.
So I'm going to put my hot dog in.
Put our hot dog in.
Close the door.
Close the door. Make sure you close the door. You set your timer.
Where's hot dog? Dad, where's hot dog?
Hot dog, it'll be entree. The one where it has it doesn't have hot dog, but you're going to put it right there where it has a plate of food. You see what?
The chicken?
What, the plate of food right there? What is that? Like that? Yeah, that one.
Guys, if you know what this is, tell us in the comments.
Okay, you can't microwave like that. You got to sit it up straight. Nobody microwaves with the thing upside down. Come on.
I'm just going to press this.
Okay. And what's going on now?
It's going to turn. Hold on. Let me let it.
Wait a minute. Yeah, we got to fix it. Here we go. There we go.
It's turning.
It's turning. See, just like a real microwave. It turns. Turns your food for you. So realistic. Look at that. Make you feel like you're really doing something.
Yeah.
It's a cool little toy though. And it got a real countdown kind of quick though. But that's okay. We know we didn't got that much time because they know it's not
I'm going to
real.
eat them.
So it's time to eat.
Nom, 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 nom.
Hot dogs. If you love hot dogs, smack that like button.
If you like hot dogs with ketchup or plain, if you like it with mustard, I'm not a mustard person. I don't like mustard on my hot dogs. But do you guys like mustard on your hot dogs? Because I don't. Do you, Daddy?
Not a fan of hot dogs. All right, I like them cheeseburger.
Okay, now I'm going to make a cheeseburger. But how am I going to set this in the microwave? Earlier, I tried in the car with the cheeseburger. And it didn't really go out because it kept falling.
Okay, we putting our cheeseburger down.
So I'm going to put the meat in. Because
You
nothing
can put
else.
the cheese.
No, because the cheese is going to get hot.
You want the cheese to melt. Put it on the plate. Did you put it on the plate? Does the plate fit inside? No, that's the thing that twirl, the plate. With the plate, yes. Does the plate fit inside? Can you close the door?
We could.
Don't put the bread. Don't put the bread. You're just gonna put the meat and the cheese. Does the door close? No.
Listen.
You had to force it.
No.
Is it gonna turn? We can't see. The camera can't see. Yeah.
I'm going to start.
You gotta press something. The door not closed. It won't fit. Oh, pop it. Take it out. Yeah, take the tray out. So we'll put it there. Put the cheese on top of the meat.
Smell the meat on top of the cheese, or else it's gonna melt on the meat. Okay, I just said what time I done. This is cheeseburger.
There we go. I
Here
keep
we go.
we can't see. There we go, sure. So we
And
can
then
see.
I'm gonna take my plate so I can put it in the thing so I
Okay,
can
see
give
how-
them to my customers.
It really twirls. It's like a real microwave with a timer.
And then I'm gonna go get my customer.
Beep. Food ready. Food ready. Order. Order. It's our bunny rabbit over there. Ice cream in the corner. See how she ducked off over there like a little Russian spy? But it's okay.
Here's one customer.
Here we got a customer here. What's her name?
Alinea.
Alenia? Okay. Alenia ain't got on no shirt. Can't be serving people without a shirt in a restaurant.
She
That's what they
just,
say, no shirts. You gotta have full clothes to get served in the restaurant. She had no shirt on
but she's in the driveway.
in the driveway. With her car.
Right here.
Yeah. We got the makeshift car. The box. The box. That's the box Chevy. She in the box Chevy.
Hello, hello. Where's my order? It's coming right up, ma'am. Okay, got it.
Cheeseburger plain, please. Can I have a cheeseburger plain, please?
Here you go.
That'll be $1.56.
Would you like a
Second window, please.
Would you like a drink?
Would you like a drink, ma'am?
Yeah.
Would that complete your order? Second window, please.
You.
Here you got a server.
Here's your drink.
You gave her burger. All right, then.
Bye.
You have a good day, ma'am.
Now we're gonna make chicken for our next customer.
All right, we got chicken coming up. We done had hot dogs, burgers. Now we have chicken.
Okay, so it's gonna be
Chicken. Everyone loves chicken.
I'm gonna get another chicken.
Joy to the world. We're a little festive. See our joy sign right there. Thanks to the lady of the house, Sandy G, who don't like to be on the camera, but she over there eating Publix cake, who make the best cake in the whole wide world. Publix, shoot me that cosign. I can do commercials for free. And to the world love me, then I got to get paid. And we also have a Christmas tree.
Hello. Can I please get some chicken? Okay, ma'am.
Hello, welcome to McBurger Town. Can we take your order?
I'm not trying to.
She walked in. Okay.
Can I get some
Welcome to
chicken?
McBurger Town.
I got some chicken.
You want a chicken sandwich?
No, I just want chicken.
Chicken what? Chicken breast thighs?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Order up. Would that be complete your order, ma'am?
Yeah.
All right. You know that's how they really be microwaving your meat back there too. FYI, they throw it in the
My
microwave.
mom's literally just
Like the
playing.
fast food restaurant,
Just playing for
they
Fortnite.
microwave your food for real, for real. Even though this is play, but that's real life.
Yes. If you want to get this, just come to the Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree, the new one that just came out today.
All right, order up. Order up.
Okay, I don't want to touch your food. So
Yeah, don't. Yep, there we go. Serve her. She can sit down.
I got a seat for you, man.
Another satisfied customer.
It's the box that had the food in it, but who cares?
Who cares? We gonna make it. It's a seat today.
Okay,
It's a booth.
I'll get you your drink. Where's the food?
That's what I'm talking about. This that Chick-fil-A service right there. We bring you your utensils and everything, soda. We bring it to your table. My pleasure, Chick-fil-A. My pleasure.
If you like Chick-fil-A, comment down below.
Yeah.
We didn't get any comments. Give us comments, please.
Give a comment, please, and subscribe to these silly videos that we make. We just want to spread the love.
Yeah. The first time I ever made a video was so fun.
It was so fun. We gonna make a video. Hey,
Hey, let's go make a video.
Let's go make a video. See, my fault. We've been gone for too long. All right, so time to clean up. Let's
I'm
clean
gonna
up.
put all the food in the microwave.
All right.
And I can heat it up.
Clean up our restaurant. No, that's not. That's a hazard. You can't be showing that to kids, because they might try to do that for real.
Yeah.
Try to put all the food in
A customer wants these food, so I'm heating it up at the same time.
We don't have that's all. We only got 2 customers. We only have 2 customers. We got another one.
Yep. Coming right.
Right back. Un momento. Un momento. Un momento. Un momento. All right, we got Talking Teddy.
I will hold that food that you put in the microwave.
All right, let's go. Come on, let's get this boy in and out. In and out burger. So we can start cleaning up. Clean up our restaurant for inspection.
There you go. Now I'm gonna heat it up for you.
That thing count down fast.
I know.
Got that hyperbolic microwave.
If you guys eat Chick-fil-A, I'm not a Chick-fil-A fan, but my dad is.
I'm not a Chick-fil-A fan either.
Just kidding. He's
I like Popeyes. I like Popeyes.
I like Publix macaroni and cheese.
Well, Publix makes some good chicken too. All right.
Okay,
What we got here? Hot dog, chicken, and was that a croissant? That's a turkey?
No, that's croissant.
No, the turkey right there.
This?
It's a turkey hot dog and a croissant. When you eat all that, boy, I know in that green cup, that's going to be ginger ale you're drinking, because your stomach might be tore up, Teddy. You're going to be tore up Teddy Bear instead of talking Teddy Bear.
Okay, I'm going to eat my food.
Nom, 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 nom.
Dum, 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 dum.
Yum, yum, delicious.
Now I'm going to eat my chicken.
Yum, 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 yum,
Now it's going out of here.
yum.
Now I'm going to eat my croissant. Yum, yum,
Yum,
yum.
yum, 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 yum.
Now it's out of here.
That was delicious.
Oh, I need some ginger ale.
The ginger ale. What happened to my drink? It magically disappeared.
He's drinking through his
He's
nostrils.
drinking ginger ale through his nostrils. He's unique. He's special.
Now I'm drinking it through my eye. Now I'm drinking it through my eye. Now I'm drinking it through my ear. Now I'm drinking it through my nose. Now I'm drinking it through
Alright,
my
clean
mouth.
up. So we gotta wrap this video up.
Bye.
Alright, see you later, guys. Peace out. Peace out.